In this video, I'll show you a proven methodology to solve PMP exam questions using the PMI mindset. This framework is based on the principles from the PMBOK guide and will be the standard approach used across all videos in this playlist. We are introducing a standard methodology framework to solve PMP questions efficiently and accurately. This is a proven framework utilizing the essential PMI mindset and a step-by-step approach, all firmly rooted in the PMBOK 6 principles. Most PMP aspirants fail not because they don't study enough, but because they rely on memorization. The PMP exam is situational. It tests how you think as a project manager, not how much you remember. To solve PMP questions correctly, you must adopt the PMI mindset. Always think like a professional project manager. Key principles include being proactive, following structured processes, and crucially, analyzing before acting. A critical part of the PMI mindset is stakeholder-first thinking. Always consider the impact of your decisions on your stakeholders. In this channel, we will follow a consistent 5-step framework for every single question. The first 2 steps are to identify keywords in the question and then use them to identify the relevant process or phase in the PMBOK guide. Next, you eliminate the clearly wrong options and apply the core PMI mindset principles we just discussed to the remaining choices. The final step is to map the selected answer back to a specific PMBOK concept to ensure its validity. Let's apply this framework right now to a sample question about change management. Here is the question. A project is in execution. A stakeholder raises a new requirement that may impact scope. What should the project manager do first? Pause the video and try to answer it yourself before we solve it step by step. Step 1. Identify keywords. We see, quote, execution phase, new requirement, and scope impact. This points us to step 2. Identify the process, which is perform integrated change control under integration management. Step 3. Eliminate wrong answers. Rejecting is too extreme. Implementing immediately violates process. Step 4. Apply PMI mindset. PM. I always expects you to analyze the impact before taking action. Based on our analysis, the correct answer is option C. Analyze the impact and then submit a formal change request. This aligns perfectly with PMI principles. Let's look at why this option is definitively correct according to the PMBOK guide. This answer aligns with the Perform Integrated Change Control process in the PMBOK guide, which requires evaluating all changes, including scope impact, before approval or implementation. This question includes common PMP traps like acting immediately or escalating too early without due diligence. Always remember, analyze first, then follow the process. Mastering this methodology will fundamentally change how you approach PMP questions. This is the exact 5-step template we will use for every question in this playlist. Master this approach, and you'll start thinking like PMI. In the next videos, we'll apply this framework across all knowledge areas and question types. Practice consistently, and you'll see a major improvement in your accuracy. Don't forget to subscribe for the full series.